QHD plus 120Hz AMOLED display with adaptive vibrant visuals. It comes within display fingerprint sensor.
Presenting Xiaomi 12 Pro in the color Opera Mauve. It is available in Quechua blue and nori black colors. The smartphone is also available in 12GB RAM, 256GB storage size variant. The 6.73 inches WQHD plus 120Hz AMOLED display with Adaptive Sync Pro is a master in clarity, brightness and smoothness. The display is certified A+ by DisplayMate and is Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus compliant. It is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus and comes with a in-display fingerprint sensor. Now let us look at the Pro Grade triple 50-megapixel camera array unleashes the true power of a triple camera setup. The 32-megapixel front-facing camera helps you capture your memories. The flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, 4nm processor is designed to provide groundbreaking performance. The super big 2900 square millimeter vapor chamber, along with 3 layers of massive graphite sheets, provides an advanced cooling system.
The 120-watt in-box hypercharger can fully charge the massive 4600 mAh battery in 18 minutes. The box includes Xiaomi 12 Pro power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool, warranty card, user guide, clear soft case and USB Type-C to 3.5mm adapter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Presenting OnePlus 11R 5G smartphone. It comes in galactic silver and sonic black color variants. It has Oxygen OS based on Android 13 and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen processor. You can choose between 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM and 16GB RAM, 256GB ROM variants depending on your usage. Now let us look at its 6.7 inches Super Fluid AMOLED display for cinematic viewing. It has 450 pixels per inch, 10-bit color depth, HDR10 Plus and 2772 by 1240 pixel resolution to ensure vibrant visuals. It comes with in-display fingerprint sensor. The 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX890 OIS supported comes with 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and macro lens, and 16-megapixel front camera with AIS support to capture the world on the go. Experience the best battery life with its 5000 mAh and 100 watts Super VOOC for long-lasting battery.
The box includes phone, data cable, USB-A to USB Type-C, charger, SIM ejector tool, protective case, quick guide, safety guide, brand sticker and welcome letter. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.